Continuously increases the acceleration up to 30 meters per second square, and then from 25 hertz onwards, it keeps the amplitude stable at 30 meters per second square. Okay, so you see we have these different calibration profiles. And next step will be the sensor descriptions. You can either prepare sensors directly on the CV-10 manually, but you can also prepare them in advance. And this looks like that. So you also have a nice description how you can enter values in here. You have the description, what kind of sensor is it, the serial number, model name, manufacturer. We can also add some data, for example, the calibration or values from the last calibration. We can have a frequency range for the sensor. Also, we can enter a specific sensitivity. And later on for the work mode measurement, down here we can also enter the calibration values from the calibration of the DUT sensor if we have them available. And this will help us in the work mode measurement to get some acceleration values indicated in the display. When you get the CV-10 on the USB stick, usually there are some sample data on the USB stick itself. If there are no sample data available, for example, the calibration profiles or sensor descriptions, then just let us know. You can contact our after-sales team either through the website or directly by email. Okay, so now we prepared our calibration profiles and some sensor descriptions, and we're gonna move over to our CV-10. And I'm gonna stop my screen sharing, so you should get